The Indian Army has a new weapon in its arsenal. It is called the Hoverbee. The Hoverbee is a kamikaze drone. This small but powerful drone is designed for one purpose: to eliminate targets with precision. Developed for counter-terrorism operations, the Hoverbee represents a significant leap in India's military capabilities. The drone is a product of cutting-edge technology. It is a testament to India's growing defense industry. The Hoverbee is poised to play a crucial role in safeguarding India's security. Its deployment marks a new era in modern warfare. The Hoverbee is small and agile. It weighs just a few kilograms. The drone's small size makes it difficult to detect. Its maneuverability allows it to navigate tight spaces. This makes it ideal for urban warfare and counter-terrorism operations. The drone is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras. These provide real-time surveillance and reconnaissance data. This information is relayed back to the command center. The Hoverbee's primary weapon is a high-explosive fragmentation warhead. This warhead is capable of inflicting significant damage. The Hoverbee is a game-changer in counter-terrorism warfare. This is because it offers several advantages over traditional methods. Firstly, its precision strike capability minimizes collateral damage. This is crucial in densely populated areas. Secondly, the drone's real-time surveillance capabilities provide valuable intelligence. This helps in making informed decisions during operations. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, the Hoverbee reduces the risk to soldiers. By deploying these drones, the Indian Army can neutralize threats without putting soldiers in harm's way. This is a significant advantage in high-risk scenarios. Section 4. Impact and Legacy. A boost for defense. The Hoverbee's induction into the Indian Army is a major boost for India's defense capabilities. It showcases India's growing prowess in drone technology. The drone's development aligns with India's vision of becoming self-reliant in defense production. The Hoverbee program has also had a positive impact on the Indian defense industry. It has spurred innovation and created new opportunities for domestic companies. The knowledge and expertise gained from this project will have far-reaching benefits. This includes the development of other advanced drone systems in the future. Section 5. Key events from conception to induction. The Hoverbee drone's journey began in the labs of Zulu Defense. Zulu Defense is a private sector defense firm based in Bangalore. The company won a contract from the Indian Army. The contract was to develop a loitering munition system. After years of rigorous research and development, the Hoverbee prototype was ready. It underwent extensive testing and evaluation. It met all the requirements set by the Indian Army. The drone's induction ceremony was a momentous occasion. It marked a new chapter in India's defense preparedness. Section 6. Conclusion: Safeguarding India's future. The Hoverbee Kamikaze drone is more than just a technological marvel. It represents India's commitment to staying ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of warfare. In an era marked by unconventional threats, the Hoverbee provides a decisive edge. Its ability to conduct precision strikes, gather real-time intelligence, and minimize risks to soldiers makes it an invaluable asset. As India faces new security challenges, the Hoverbee stands as a symbol of its determination to protect its borders and its people. The future of warfare is here, and India is ready.